Is Spyic really worth it? Does it work on iPhone and Android? Is Spyic detectable? These are some of the most common questions I receive from my subscribers who are interested in purchasing this popular spy app. Instead of replying to all the comments, I thought to make a detailed Spyic review video so that I can answer all the questions related to it in one single video. Most people who are not familiar with the working of a spy app ask this question a lot. Well, like all spy apps, Spyic also works in a similar fashion. This means once it is installed on the target phone, it starts recording all the activities on it and simultaneously syncs the data to your spy app account. You can log into your Spyic account, which you have created while purchasing the app, to remotely see all the recorded activities. Here you should note that the data syncing is done over the internet, so the target phone must be connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. To know how to install the Spyic app properly on the target phone, you can go through my detailed Spyic installation video. You will find its link in the I button and description below. Don't forget to check it out. It's pretty simple and straightforward to use Spyic to monitor your loved ones. All you need to do is log into your Spyic account and you will land on the Spyic dashboard, where you will see all the basic details about the target phone like last visited addresses, current location, recent calls, messages, etc. all in one place. For further monitoring, you can go through different features provided on the left side panel of the dashboard. Now let's have a quick look at the different features you get with Spyic and how do they perform in real world scenarios. The first major feature of Spyic is the phone tracker that lets you track call logs, SMS and contacts stored on the target phone. Almost all spy apps provide this data. What's special about Spyic, you may ask? I also thought the same at the beginning, but when I analyzed the app in detail, I found that it can even show you the deleted call logs and text messages. Not only this, but it also bolds the deleted messages that lets you know what the target person wants to hide from others. Another good thing about the Spyic phone tracker feature is that it is quick to reflect any changes that happen on the target phone. Spyic misses out on the geofencing feature, which is seen on its other competitor apps like mSpy. However, when we talk of GPS location tracking, then there are only a few apps that give Spyic a good competition. In my observation, Spyic shares the exact location of the target phone. Moreover, it provides you with the longitude and the latitude values of the location at which the target phone is currently positioned. And how can I forget that it even allows you to check the target device location on Google Maps. It makes tracking the location of the target person even easier. With Spyic, you can monitor almost every social media and instant messaging platform, including WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Kik, Line, Telegram, etc. The good part is that you don't have to root the target phone in order to see their social media activities, because in most other spy apps you have to. Whenever the target person opens a social media app on the phone, it starts capturing the screenshot of the app and keeps syncing them on your dashboard in chronological order. The first social app which I tried was WhatsApp, because it is the most used app for chatting with friends, family or anyone for that matter. I am quite satisfied with how Spyic works to track WhatsApp. It takes multiple screenshots within each minute so that you don't miss any of their chats. With Spyic, you can even track what someone is doing on their Facebook profile along with the messages that they send on Facebook Messenger. Since it tracks everything in the form of screenshots, you can even read the secret messages that get deleted just after sending them. During my usage, I was able to read all the secret messages that I sent from the target phone. Although the ones sent from the other end were not visible, you can still figure out what the conversation is about. Similar to WhatsApp and Facebook, Spyic can track all other social media apps like Snapchat, Instagram, Telegram, Viber, WeChat, etc. I have had the opportunity to test a lot of keyloggers on Spydrill. I can say with authority that the Spyic keylogger is really good, even if it's not the best. The thing I really like about the Spyic keylogger is that it is swift and won't leave a single keystroke, even the ones made on the calculator app of the phone. However, there is also a shortcoming of Spyic keylogger, that it sometimes mixes two different keystrokes into one, which makes it complicated to read. Apart from that, everything is on the point and I have no issues with it. Do you want to find out what videos or photos are stored on your child or partner's phone? Say no more. Spyic is very capable of presenting to you all the multimedia files that are stored on the target phone. These can be files they have downloaded from somewhere or captured on their phone. What's better is that it even allows you to download those photos and videos on your device. What is one amazing thing about Spyic is that it can even record the URLs that were visited in the private window of the browser. Moreover, when I tried to delete the browsing history on the target phone, it was able to record that as well. So all in all, in terms of tracking browsing history, Spyic does a great job and get full marks from me. Spyic Block is not a standalone feature, but you get it under multiple features like call logs, messages, application browsing history, and Wi-Fi. With this feature, you can block a contact, app, web page, or even the Wi-Fi to which the target phone is connected with just a press of a button. I have used it on all the features and noticed that it blocks the particular function within a minute or two. Spyic offers good customer support to its users, and I have experienced it myself. They offer 24/7 chat support where you can get answers to all your questions related to installation, usage, or general queries regarding the app. Although I didn't face any major issues while reviewing the app, I had some queries related to installation. I asked them about it through the chat support and they were quick enough to respond and answer all my queries. Spyic gives you the option to choose from monthly, quarterly, or yearly plans. It depends on you and your spying needs and which plan you choose. If you are looking for short-term monitoring, then the monthly plan of Spyic will suffice. It will cost you $49.99 per month. However, if you want Spyic for a longer duration, then the monthly retainer plan will be expensive in the longer run, and it's better you go for the 3 months or 12 months plan. You will save good money there as these plans cost you $27.99 per month and $11.66 per month respectively. After testing the Spyic app for days, I have come to the conclusion that it works well in all departments, be it phone monitoring, location tracking, or keeping an eye on social media apps. It does it all. However, it does lack in some departments. For example, it does not have the geofencing and call recording feature that you can see on similar apps like KidsCard Pro. Nonetheless, Spyic works really well and is capable of spying on anyone's activities without them knowing. Also, the pricing of the app is pretty decent and everyone can afford it. So guys, that is all from my side. Now the ball is in your court. It's up to you that you want to go with Spyic or skip it. Do tell me in the comments below about your decision, and if you have loved my review, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Spydle for such amazing videos related to spyware and spy gadgets.